Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel an order that you have placed on Amazon. It's quite a straightforward process, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone. The first thing we need to do is load up the Amazon app. The easiest way to do that is to just click on the middle of your screen, hold and drag down, and then it's going to load up your search bar. You can basically search in here Amazon, for example, and then click on the Amazon app. That's going to load up the Amazon application. From here, you can see that at the bottom, you've got four options: home, U, cart, and menu. Click on the U section. This is then going to load up your screen with various different accounts elements. From here, you can see a top option there that's called orders. Click on orders. From there, you're going to load all of your orders, your most recent orders, orders that maybe you've placed that have not yet arrived, orders that have arrived, and things like that. We're going to see this one right here that's arriving tomorrow. I can click on there. From this, it's going to load up all of your order details about that particular order. And if we scroll on down, actually, no, it's right here. In fact, I don't have to scroll. You can see that it says ordered. And because this is not yet shipped, it's not out for delivery, I can simply hit the cancel order. If I click on cancel order, it's going to load up another set of options where I can select exactly what items I want to cancel, or I can select all items by hitting that button right at the top. Now, this particular order only has one item, so I can click on it. You then have options here for cancellation. It's optional. You don't have to do this, but you can click it and you can basically explain what it is, that in reason the why you want to cancel it, and then you just hit the cancel button at the bottom there. Now, I'm not going to cancel this order. I actually do want this whiteboard, but for the most part, if you didn't need to just order, you could just hit cancel and then your order would be cancelled. And guys, it's as easy as that to essentially cancel an Amazon order via the Amazon app. It works exactly the same way on the website as well. If this has worked for you, found it useful and informative, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.